Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an essential textbook that provides a comprehensive introduction to sociology, tailored specifically for a Canadian context. It's Society, the Basics Canadian Edition, 7th edition by John J. Macionis, Jakub Burkowicz, S. Mikael Ja, and Cecilia M. Denote, this book is an indispensable resource for anyone studying sociology in Canada or looking to understand the fundamentals of social dynamics within a Canadian framework. Let's break it down chapter by chapter, giving you a detailed look at the key topics covered. Introduction to Sociology. This book kicks off with an introduction to sociology, exploring its significance, the scientific study of society, and the various methods used to investigate social phenomena. Key topics covered: the sociological perspective, detailed elaboration. Understanding the world through a sociological lens means looking beyond individual behavior to see the broader social context. This section covers how our daily lives are influenced by societal structures and cultural norms. Theoretical algorithms, detailed deliberation. This part introduces the main theoretical frameworks in sociology: structural functionalism, social conflict theory, and symbolic interactionism, detailing how each perspective interprets social phenomena differently. Research methods, detailed deliberation, an overview of the scientific methods used in sociological research, including surveys, experiments, field research, and secondary data analysis. This section emphasizes the importance of ethical considerations in conducting research. Chapter 1. Understanding Society and Culture. Chapter 1 delves into the concepts of society and culture, exploring how they shape human behavior and social life. Key topics covered: defining culture, detailed elaboration, examines what culture is, including material and non-material culture, and how culture shapes our perceptions and actions. Elements of culture. Detailed deliberation breaks down the elements that make up culture, such as symbols, language, values, and norms, and discusses their significance in daily life. Cultural diversity. Detailed deliberation discusses the concept of cultural diversity, subcultures and countercultures, and the importance of cultural relativism versus ethnocentrism. Chapter 2. Socialization, becoming human and humane. Chapter 2 focuses on socialization, the process through which individuals learn and internalize the values, beliefs, and norms of their culture. Key topics covered: theories of socialization. Detailed deliberation covers major theories of socialization, including those proposed by Mead, Cooley, and Freud, and how these theories explain the development of self and identity. Agents of socialization. Detailed deliberation identifies the key agents of socialization, such as family, schools, peer groups, and media, and how each contributes to shape life course. Detailed deliberation explores the concept of the life course, how socialization continues throughout different stages of life, and the impact of significant life events and transitions. Chapter 3. Social interaction in everyday life. In Chapter 3, we explore how social interaction shapes our everyday lives and the structures of society. Key topics covered: the social construction of reality. Detailed deliberation discusses how individuals create and understand reality through social interactions, including the roles of perception and interpretation. Statuses and roles. Detailed deliberation examines concepts of status and role, how they are ascribed or achieved, and their impact on social identity and behavior. Social networks and social capital. Detailed deliberation analyzes importance of social networks, how they function, and the concept of social capital and providing resources and support. Chapter 4. Groups and Organizations. Chapter 4 takes a deep dive into the nature of social groups and formal organizations and their roles in society. Key topics covered: types of groups. Detailed deliberation differentiates between primary and secondary groups, in-groups and out-groups, and reference groups, and their influence on individual behavior. Group dynamics. Detailed deliberation explores how groups form, their structure, leadership styles, and the effects of group size on interaction and cohesion. Form organizations. Detailed deliberation examines the characteristics of formal organizations, including bureaucracies, and the challenges they face in terms of efficiency, flexibility, and human relations. Chapter 5. Deviance, crime, and social control. Chapter 5 addresses the concepts of deviance and crime and how society attempts to control and regulate behavior. Key topics covered: defining deviance. Detailed deliberation looks at how deviance is defined, the relativity of deviance, and the functions it serves in society. Theories of deviance. Detailed deliberation discusses various sociological theories explaining deviance, including strain theory, labeling theory, and differential association theory. Crime and the criminal justice system. Detailed deliberation analyzes different types of crime, statistics on crime rates, and the components and functioning of the criminal justice system. Social control. Detailed deliberation examines formal and informal methods of social control, including laws, norms, and the role of institutions like the police and courts. Chapter 6. Social stratification. In Chapter 6, we explore the hierarchical arrangement of individuals in society, based on various factors like wealth, power, and prestige. Key topics covered: systems of stratification. Detailed deliberation discusses different systems of social stratification, including caste, class, and meritocracy, and their characteristics. Theories of stratification. Detailed deliberation examines major theories explaining social stratification, including Marxist, Weberian, and functionalist perspectives. Social class economics. Detailed deliberation provides an in-depth look at social class divisions in Canada, including income inequality, poverty, and social mobility. Global stratification. Detailed deliberation analyzes global inequality, the classification of countries based on economic development, and the impact of globalization. Conclusion. Society. The Basics, Canadian edition. 7th edition is a comprehensive guide to understanding the intricate web of social dynamics that shape our lives. With its clear explanations, relevant examples, and rich visual content, this book is an essential resource for students and anyone interested in the field of sociology. If you found this summary helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth book summaries and educational content. Let us know in the comments if there are any other sociology books or topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.